Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited because it is Coco's first birthday and I will be throwing her a party. Yes, you heard me correct, a party, not a party. Can you believe it is 1 year since I've had a cat? This is the most insane thing ever and I cannot believe it because if you guys know my story, you know I was not an animal person and Coco just came into my life and I love her so much. She literally changed my life and I'm throwing her a beautiful little party and I'll be sharing with you all of the details, including where I got everything, the decor, the plates, the little gift ideas that I did. My friends all have kids and they are coming to the party, so I had to do like little gifts for the kids and all of that. Also, if you did not know how I met Coco and how Coco came into my life, it's that her mom Millie came into my store with her 4 kittens. I found homes for 3 of them, but for Coco I just could not let her go. Like, she chose me and I know it. Like, you guys know that they say cats choose you. These cats definitely chose me, and Millie is at work and I take care of her at work, but Coco is my beautiful indoor cat who I love so much. She actually grew up on this channel with you guys, so it's gonna be fun seeing me throw a party for her and I'm so excited, and let us get into it. I've been planning this party for a few months now and I knew that I wanted to have cat themed plates, so I found this on Amazon and I love them so much. It has like gold foil touches to it. It comes with these really big plates, napkins and cups, as well as a pink cutlery set with forks, knives and spoons. Everything is matching. Everything has that gold foil touch, which I really love. This is of course for the guests who are coming to my party. You can of course use these if you are having a cat themed party for your human child. I absolutely recommend these. I love them so much, but the only thing I feel it is missing is a set of smaller plates, for instance, for cutting cake or eating snacks. So I might have to go out and get like cute pink ones, of course, to go with these. But other than that, I really do love this set. I love the gold foil touch. It is so cute. It is so pretty. I am just overall obsessed with these. I'll be using the bigger plates for the pizza, which is the food I'm having, because that is just the easiest thing that everyone will enjoy. And then I'll use the smaller plates that I will get for the dessert and the little snacks that I'm having. I absolutely also adore the matching cups. You get so much in these that I don't think I will use every single thing. I can actually keep some for a later on date. A letterboard is a cute touch and I'll be changing this up for on the day of her party. And speaking of a party, we had to have invitations and I did these cute ones that had like funny puns like, "Are you kidding me?" Right, meow. I just think it was so cute. So because they'll have kids, I decided to take a little extra step and do an adopt a cat section. But to avoid any kind of crying on the day of Coco's party, I decided to ask everyone beforehand what color cats they wanted. So I got these crocheted cats. You can find a local business that does crocheting or makes stuffed animals and you can support their business, or you can just get stuffed cats or beanie cats or beanie babies from on Amazon or something like that. I made these beautiful name tags and added them to each cat. I just think that this is such an extra touch. Whether you're having a cat party or a child's birthday party, it's just something really lovely with a personalized touch. I think that kids would have such an amazing time adopting their cat and having it and taking care of it and all of that fun stuff. It's just something nice to add to a party. A little touch again that I wanted to do was these beautiful little headbands. I think it was just so much fun. So everyone who comes gets a headband that they can wear, and you can get these on Amazon. They're really inexpensive. I got a pack of 5 and I love them so much and I absolutely cannot wait to see everybody in their headbands. And of course, you know, I am so extra, so I decided to do these little cat stickers as well as cat mini notepads and a cat themed coloring book. I love adding extra little details and custom touches. So the front of the coloring book has meow, Coco turns 1. The coloring book has blank outlines of the cats that were on the stickers so they can color in them. I actually have my own coloring book so I could go ahead and color. It's just something fun to do. I love stationery so much and creating beautiful things. So of course that is my job, as you guys know. I think it was a nice little extra touch to add to the kids' party bags and just even for adults, something that they can take and carry away with them. And of course, me being extra, I went ahead and did like sip on some Meowscato instead of Moscato, Meowscato. I did these for the adults, and of course, you can go ahead and do like bottle hang tags for kids on their bottles with, of course, a normal non alcoholic drink. But I think that these were a cute touch for the adults. Then I went ahead and did these Pawty bags, which says Coco's Pawty Meow Mix. So Meow Mix is something that cats eat, and I thought it was a funny little pun to add to the bags to maybe do like popcorn or snacks. But in the end, I think I just went ahead and put in the mini notepad and the stickers inside as little Pawty bags instead. But this is also a really great option for snacks. So I am setting up my entryway as the focal point for Coco's Pawty, and something I really wanted to do was a garland for her, like a Polaroid type of garland. So I printed out all these pictures of her when she was a tiny kitten and up to this day, and I hung it up with just some bulldog clips. But I do recommend clothespins instead because these can kind of slide down the garland, and I just used normal twine for that. I really love this extra touch. It's so sentimental and it just makes me feel so emotional every time I see it. I might have to readjust the garland when I put up the balloons that I got up, but we might have to change that up, so we'll see how it goes. Of course, the birthday girl had to get her presents, and because I don't really get toys for Coco because she literally loses all and she doesn't really play with them, she plays with everything else. I stocked up on a ton of her favorite treats from Amazon, and those were her birthday gifts. Okay, so for Coco's cake, I did a beautiful cat-inspired cake with fresh mini pink roses, as well as a strawberry compote on the inside, and this acrylic topper with gold, which says Coco. It was such a beautiful display. I'm absolutely happy with it, and I think her cake came out perfectly.